without a VPN, privacy का पाप। My normal internet speed without a VPN is 74.4 Mbps during the download speed, and upload speed is 69.9 Mbps. Now test it while we connect our mobile with a VPN which has 10 million plus downloads on Play Store, and check it out what the download speed is and the upload speed also. So there we go, and found that the download speed of the famous VPN 3.95 Mbps and upload speed is 40.1 Mbps. Now connect our mobile with the Rode VPN, which is made for fast speed and secure browsing. This states the internet speed. We are connecting with Rode VPN and the download speed goes to 72.6 Mbps. It is same as the download speed without a VPN, and the upload speed also 31.1 Mbps, which is pretty good. Let's talk about the extra features of Rode VPN. Rode VPN has features like one-tap connect and free VIP servers. Yes, free VIP servers with one ad per day, and a highly secure browser for your privacy, and also a in-app speed test meter, and many more things in only 6 MB. Downloading it from Play Store, GetApps, and Amazon App Store now.